Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo. It's May 10th, and you know what today is? That's right, it's New Camera Day. And the cool thing is today that Nikon launched a new camera, the Nikon Z8. And wait a minute, I hear a truck pulling up. We got to make some room. Here we go, Speedy. Boom! You're going to be the first one to see unboxing of the Nikon Z8. This is so cool. So what do we got here? Yes! The world's thinnest and lightest Z8. That is so cool. It's not really a Z8. It's just a picture of one because I don't have a camera yet, and only a very few people have a camera. So let's talk about the Z8 compared to the cameras that you guys already have. And what do you think about the Z8? Well, the Z8 is the same size as the Nikon D500. So for those of you who love the crop sensor size and the lightweight portability of the D500, the Z8 is a perfect alternative for you because it's giving you the faster focus and the better performance of the Z line. The Z8 is the noble replacement for the D850. It's about the same weight as the D850 because it has the same weatherproofness and ruggedness of the D850 in the Z lineup. How cool is that? So all of you D850, D500 people, come on over. The water's fine. You're gonna love the Z8 and the mirrorless. For those of us who are Nikon Z6 II, Z7 II shooters, we love the super lightweight and performance of the Z6 II, Z7 II, but we want some of the newer features that's in the Z9. And that's where the Z8 rocks. So you can see it's a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier. Well, my Z8's a lot thinner than the Z7 II, but the real Z8 is gonna be about the same thickness, a little bit bigger, not much, a little bit heavier, not much. So it's gonna give us that same Z lightweight performance that's awesome, that we've wanted. If you're a Z9 photographer and want a second body, the Z8 might be a great alternative. If you don't need the super long battery life and some of the extra features, Ethernet, flash PC socket, stuff like that, right? So maybe Z8 is your better second body. Why am I gonna buy a Z8? Because my arsenal with Nikon is the Z9 for sports and wildlife photography, where I really like having the bigger battery so I can shoot all day on one battery, the high frame rate, the ability to use the vertical release. But for my travel photography, I don't need that big of a camera. I want a lighter weight camera. But one of the things that's bothered me since I've gone to the Z9 and Z7 II is that the control set's different. The Z8 has the same control set, the same features, the same face detect, animal detect, vehicle detect, airplane detect as the Z9 does. I've missed that in the Z7 II, and that's why I'm gonna switch to the Z8 as my compact camera. Now, who's gonna stay with the Z7 II? Or if you're new to Nikon Mirrorless, why would you go to the Z7 II? Because it's less money. $25.99 today versus $39.99. And it's a smaller and lighter camera. So if you really wanna maximize your smallness in a full frame camera, you're gonna stay with the Z6 II, Z7 II. If you want the better performance, you're gonna come up to the Z8. So, Z8, introduction today, body only, $39.99. With the 24-120 lens, $48.99 on sale. We're taking pre-orders today. Initial delivery date is May 25th. So that's the day that Nikon says that they'll have the first cameras for delivery. Will they be on that day? I don't know. It's not up to me, right? We have a lot to happen between now and then to get the cameras here, get them delivered. If you order a camera today, will you get a camera on May 25th? I don't know, because it depends on how many cameras Nikon sends us. A lot of people are gonna switch to the Z8, and I hope that you do too. And the best way to do this is to get in line now. Call us at Paul's Photo or go online to paulsphoto.com, get your pre-order in, It's $500 for our premium priority pre-order. That gets you in line for the Z8. So when Nikon sends the Z8, you're gonna get a camera. And you're gonna get one faster here than you will anyplace else. That's the way it's been since the D850, the Z7, the Z9. And we're gonna take care of our people to get you the Z8 camera that you want as soon as physically possible. If you got any questions, give us a call at Paul's Photo. Send me an email to mark@paulsphoto.com or go to online, place an order. We're always here to help you. And if you order today, there's some awesome first day order deal specials where you can save big money on a memory card, a bag, and an extended warranty on the Z8. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, come on down. We're rocking the Z8, and I want you to get one right away.